Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. It's West LA Computer Expert here with another exciting video. Today, we're peeling back the curtain on 9 hidden features within popular software programs that can revolutionize your digital workflow. Ready? Let's get started. Feature 1. Microsoft Word Read Aloud. Let's kick things off with Microsoft Word. Ever heard of the Read Aloud feature? It's a built-in text-to-speech tool that can read your document out loud, perfect for proofreading. Go to Review Read Aloud and let Word do the talking. Feature 2. Excel Flash Fill. Over to Excel, have you tried the Flash Fill feature? It intuitively fills your data when it senses a pattern. Just start typing in a column next to your data, and Excel will suggest completions. Press Enter, and you're done. Feature 3. PowerPoint Morph Transition. In PowerPoint, the morph transition can add a touch of professionalism to your presentations. It smoothly animates changes in text, shape, or arrangement between slides. Just duplicate a slide, make your changes, and apply the morph transition. Feature 4. Adobe Photoshop Blend If. Adobe Photoshop's Blend If is a powerful tool to blend layers based on luminance or color information. Right-click on the layer, select blending options, and experiment with the Blend If sliders for some remarkable effects. Feature 5. Google Sheets Query Function. Google Sheets Query Function lets you perform complex data manipulations. It's like having a mini SQL engine in your spreadsheet. Just use =query range SQL statement to extract, manipulate, and aggregate your data. Feature 6. Google Docs Explore. Did you know Google Docs has an Explore feature? It helps you research topics, find related articles, and even cite sources without leaving Docs. Go to Tools, Explore, type in your query, and let Google do the rest. Feature 7. Adobe Illustrator Image Trace. Adobe Illustrator's Image Trace tool is a time saver. It can convert raster images like JPEGs, PNGs, and BMP into scalable vector art. To access it, select your image and go to Window, Image Trace. Feature 8. Google Drive Offline Access. Google Drive's offline access is a lifesaver when you're without internet. It allows you to view and edit your Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides offline. To enable it, go to Settings, General, Offline, and check the box for Create. Open and edit your recent Google Docs files on this device while offline. Feature 9. Outlook Delay Delivery. In Microsoft Outlook, the Delay Delivery feature lets you schedule your emails to be sent at a later time. Compose your email, go to Options, Delay Delivery, and set your preferred date and time. And that's it. 9 surprising features tucked away in everyday software. If you found this video informative, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to West LA Computer Expert for more tech tips and tricks. Discovered some hidden features of your own? Share them in the comments. As always, thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in our next video.